Hi guys, welcome to my page. What are we cooking today? We are cooking yam porridge. Yes, as you can see, I've already washed my yam, cleaned, sliced it, and I already salt, allow it to boil. Yes, we allow it to boil. And by the side, I'm doing the porridge stew. Yes, porridge stew. Now let's see. Let's add our mixed pepper. Yes, yes, let's have a meat pepper. Please kindly comment on my page, kindly like and subscribe. Your comments and subscription keep me going. Yes, now I'm adding chicken cube. Yes, almost wow, it's getting soft. Our yam is getting soft. Yes, and this is palm oil. And yes, let's see together. I've already mashed the yam, so I use it on the steak. So we just leave it stay for some minutes and allow it to cook, and we add salt. So our yam porridge is ready. Please guys comment on my page, kindly subscribe, kindly like, kindly share. Your subscription, your comment keep me going. I love you guys. Bye please. Wow, look at this is so nice. Thank you guys. Bye.